Understanding Take a Raincheck, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a common English phrase, take a raincheck. You might have heard it in movies, TV shows, or from English speakers. It's a handy phrase to know, and we're going to explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it in conversation. So, let's get started. Take a raincheck is an idiomatic expression used in English. It means postponing an offer or invitation for another time. Originally from baseball, where a raincheck was a ticket given to spectators for a future game when the current one was rained out, it's now used in everyday situations. For instance, if someone invites you to dinner but you're busy, you might say, "Can I take a raincheck?" to express your interest in joining them another time. Let's see how take a raincheck is used in everyday conversations. 1. Social plans. If your friend invites you to a movie, but you have prior commitments, you might say, "I'll have to take a raincheck on the movie tonight." 2. Professional contexts. In a work setting, if a colleague suggests lunch but you have a meeting, you could say, "Can I take a raincheck on lunch? I'm tied up with a meeting today." 3. Casual offers. If a neighbor offers you some homegrown vegetables but you're about to leave town, you might respond, "I'd love to, but can I take a raincheck?" While take a raincheck is widely understood in English-speaking countries, it's more common in American English. It's important to note the casual and friendly nature of this phrase. It's usually used in informal settings among friends, family, or close colleagues. However, it's not typically used in formal or official situations. Take a raincheck is a useful and common expression in English, especially in informal and friendly contexts. It's a polite way to decline an offer while showing interest in future plans. We hope this video helps you understand and use take a raincheck confidently in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.